Hi guys, it's Mrs. McClure, and today we're going to go over some sight words or high frequency words, reviewing them. And here are my words to know for this week. Okay, so let's review. Let's look at the words that we have up at the very top. So this one is probably one you should know. This is the word go. Good, like I go to the park. G-O, go. What do you think this word is? Mm-hmm. Me, like me, right? How can we use the word me in a sentence? She gave the gift to me. Me. M-E, me. What is this word? The word for. Like this is for our friends, right? For. F-O-R, for. What about this word? Do you know this word? This is a word that we did in kinder last year. This is the word here. Like I'm sitting right here. Here. And this is the word where. Like, oh, where is she going? Where did you put my backpack? Where? So let's go through them again. Go, say it with me. Go, me, for, here, where. Okay? So what we have to do today is we have to use the words from up here, our words to know, in the box to complete the sentences. And the first one is done for us. So what is this word? This is the word where, right? So let's read it. Where is Zach? Where is Zach? And it's asking a question. So we can mark that word out because we used it already. So let's see. Look at number 2. He is blank. So let's see which one of these words is going to make sense in the sentence. He is go. I don't think that makes sense. He is me. That doesn't really make sense to me. He is for. He is for what though? Or he is here. Yeah, the word here would be the one that makes the most sense, right? Saying that this person is here. Let's look at the next one. Zach will blank to the vet. So let's look. Zach will go to the vet. Zach will me to the vet, or Zach will for to the vet. Which word makes more sense? The word go. So we're going to write G-O spells go. Oh, there's more to it. Zach will go to the vet with blank. Who will he go to the vet with? Will he go to the vet with me, or will he go to the vet with for? The word me makes the best sense, right? Zach will go to the vet with me. And the last one. The tag is blank Zach. What is our final word that we haven't used yet? For. So let's write for in there. And let's read the sentence. The tag is for Zach. So that's what you're going to do for your assignment, is review these high frequency words, and then you will complete these sentences just like I modeled for you, okay? Let's review them one more time. What is this word? Go, me, for, here, and where. Good job.